everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, I'm so glad you are joining me for today's video. I'm Jessica, and on social media I'm known as Jessica Tyler. I'm basically just trying to motivate and inspire other homemakers and just be a friend on the internet. In today's video, we're going to be decorating for Halloween, tidying up the living room. I'm also showing y'all a grocery haul and sharing a delicious meatball recipe that's super easy and my kids love it. I hope you guys feel super inspired from this video, and now let's get started.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
So after I dusted off the TV stand, I'm just putting up some new command strips. I had some of these up last year for Halloween, and I used them also for our Christmas stockings, but for one reason or another they had been taken down. I think one of the kids might have actually pulled them down, but anyways, I'm putting some new ones up, and after I get it decorated you will not be able to see them. In fact, you really can't see them that much. It's just the angle of the camera where you can kind of see them, but I really do like the command strips because they have yet to take off the finish on my TV stand.
My days never meant to fall so hard. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine. Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got good motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you.
So it's not necessarily Halloween decor or decoration or meant to be real cute or anything, but I pulled a few of their books out from their library that we have at the house. We call it their little library. But anyways, these were the Halloween books that we have. And so I pulled those out to put on this little side table in the living room so that they could get to them and read them if they wanted. This little Mickey Spooky Night is my absolute favorite Halloween book for them. Luke got it for his 2nd birthday and it's just super cute. So I put these out there to kind of also just give them something to look at while they're in the living room, or it could also be their bedtime story.
Okay, so here's our grocery haul for the week, and some of this stuff will last a whole lot longer. Starting with these home style meatballs. We've been liking this brand, and this is one of the really big bags. It is a 4-pound bag, so it will last forever. And I'm going to do a crock pot meal with these. And I might share that recipe with y'all later in a different video. And we were out of butter, so I bought some unsalted butter. I like to get fresh mozzarella when they have it on sale. I think this is half off. We were out of some seasonings, and I'm making homemade salsa this week, so I needed some of those. Jason and I just thought this looked yummy, so we bought it. Garlic, whole grain mustard, and I got some medium black olives. This chili sauce and cranberry sauce is actually going to be used in the meatballs. I was out of the coconut oil spray, bought that, and we have nachos. The boys like the crescent rolls, so I got some of those. We are out of sugar, and I got some tortilla chips for the salsa. Jack has been really liking these mandarin oranges, so I bought him 2 of these. They were on sale, buy 2 for $4, I believe. Fresh corn, cilantro. These are apples. The boys like these mozzarella sticks. They're really picky and they like the store brand. My husband likes the store brand of this turkey lunch meat, so I've got that for him. The boys are really liking broccoli, and I guess it's the way I cook it, and I'll have to share that recipe with y'all too. Some peppers and iced tea, and this is one of those, it looked so good so we got it. Coffee, which we were low on coffee anyways, but it's pumpkin pecan pie, and it's a limited edition, and I hadn't seen that. Eggs, some hot dog buns to go with their hot dogs, béarnaise sauce. We're having steak one day this week. My husband likes these wasabi flavored peas, so we got those. Some salami, onions. There's our meat, the steak, and chicken. We are going to meal prep the chicken, so I bought a huge pack of that, and the steaks goes with the béarnaise sauce. We needed aluminum foil, and one of the boys, I guess, picked out the SpaghettiOs, and diced tomatoes for the salsa. And I think that's about it. That is our grocery haul for this week.
So I'm using about 1.5 pounds of home style frozen meatballs, and I put those directly into the crock pot. And then in a separate bowl, I will mix 1 can of cranberry sauce with 1 jar of chili sauce, as well as 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can also put more brown sugar in it if you like it sweeter. I usually start with 2 tablespoons, and later I might taste it once it gets finished cooking, and if I think it needs some more, I'll sprinkle some in. And to be quite honest, I think I always end up sprinkling more brown sugar in. That is pretty much it. It's just the meatballs with this sauce that I mix on the side. I put it all into the crock pot, pop on the lid, and I cook it on low heat until they are warmed all the way through and ready to eat. Thank y'all so much for watching my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell notification button to be notified of when I post new videos. I post new videos every week, twice a week, and I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. So I will see you in my next one. Bye!